All right, guys, 2007 Saturn Outlook shock or suspension replacement for the front.
Video. This is how we do it, and it's done.
This is it. Watch, I'm about to blow your mind. So what you do is you take the tire off, right? Bam. You took the tire off. Then you take this off. Bam. You take this off. Bam. Then you take this off. Bam.
And this line here.
And this line, you pop that off.
And then here too.
This little line, you pop that off.
And then the top.
Then you come up top. Take those 3 screws off. Pop it out. You're done.
And swip it. Yes. Take out the old one. Where is it? Where's the old one?
The old one's behind you.
Oh, behind me?
Yeah, there's the old one right there. Literally, man. It's look at it. Yeah.
But make sure you leave them on a little bit, though, it doesn't fall on you.
1, 2, 3. Yeah. Well, my dad said leave them on a little bit. That way, when you take it off from the bottom, all of it, doesn't fall down so fast on you, and it'll catch it. But that's pretty much it, right here. These bolts, and those. That's it. Just take the tire off, and you're done. That is a wrap.